This is how to install OEDRO trifold truck soft tonneau cover. First of all, it's best to do some research. In my case, I know I wanted a tonneau cover, but I didn't know exactly what style I wanted. It actually came in a pretty nice box. Opened up the box, and I could tell right off the bat this was going to be an easy job. In the box, there's a very easy manual to explain how you would hook it up to just about any truck, plus a little seal tape, and needless to say, the cover itself. After putting down the seal tape at the front of the bed, I put it right on the rails. The nice thing is when you lock it down, you don't even need any tools. Everything is done with thumb screws. Once you get the front ones locked down, then I checked everything for alignment again. The back had a very similar arrangement, but with a quick release, which is actually pretty cool. And that's all there's to it. One tonneau cover installed in less than 30 minutes. And it definitely gives the truck a finished look. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.